CDAC Hyderabad has developed a solution for predicting multi-stage attack using machine learning.
Even though the preventive security mechanisms are deployed, still organizations have witnessed many security breaches. This is mainly due to a design flaw or a bug in the code or absence of security in the design. The discovery of new vulnerabilities in applications, operating systems, and hardware has increased cyber threat landscape with each passing year. Majority of today's breaches are multi-stage attacks. Some of the popular multi-stage attacks include DTrack, Petya, WannaCry, Locky, Stuxnet, etc. All these malware attacks can be best described by a cyber kill chain. The cyber kill chain model breaks down cyber intrusions into various stages, namely reconnaissance, weaponizing and delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, network propagation, and actions on objectives. With the introduction of deliberated targeted attacks, it becomes a quite challenging task for any organization to detect multi-stage attack. Most of the multi-stage attacks evade discovery as most endpoint products focus on one of the stages and lacks the ability to analyze the entire chain of activities. On the other hand, AI or ML based security solutions are providing promising results. Our solution leverages ML models to detect multi-stage attacks. These machine learning models are trained on features and dataset in line with MITRE adversary technique. This facilitates security expert from seeing the full context of the attack. These are the salient features of our solution. It analyzes the executable files and DLLs. It performs static and behavioral analysis. It will identify malicious flows in the network. It visualizes the attack and maps the attack with the MITRE framework.
We are thankful to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for supporting this effort.